Welcome! In front of me I have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the power button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down on the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and you can swipe left or right to scroll through the list of icons through the pages like this. Scroll to the last page, and on the last page you should see the airplane mode icon. It looks like the plane. To enable the mode, tap on this icon. It will say flight mode. The icon will appear right here. Also, you will see that the icon changed the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you go back to watch face, you will see that the airplane mode icon appeared right here, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again, scroll through the pages, and tap on the icon again to disable it, like this. The icon will go back to the gray color, the icon from here will disappear, and the icon from the watch face will also disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.